Tashtale dance get to a cadence sling into the paper, the cat of people samala caso show and Italangi reading tea, Chevalang, Sabache tayo, Sabache duk dul Sabache, Taluk Sabache, Telcha Sabache, Tatama Kida Pa, Kirangilo the key and Kirangilo the pie banning into the Kirachi de la Shuera, that the reading tea, Kirangilo Sargi Jenny, our two Padula energy candido tigidu, Kirangi energy candido tigidu, Della Pabikirangi care a trick cheat, Kiranchola Sura, when the color reading chigi in a Shuera. Lodate na buki indijeni pa wande de kozu yangi reading the page detailed kan la application ke bakang tup tup ingi ke ba reading che try chi ka jilanda na tawa dukki reading la energy la dindu ye kang tup tup de kishin ke ba read che kozu che chi on di ndu ni kari chungsla na ni dong de pe ring cha du dra dindu ni lo da ni on de shaina ani da ta taman ni de la son che ra ani ta da buki ni kozu ya chi Tashtale kilo tatsu ni kinanzo ki chedura tata wantu de kandido shitigidu andi kana kinanzo la dambo kinanzo energy kandido shitigidu ni kinanzo la yunya energy changes kandido lidu ani di chini kinanzo la love message past ki love message kandido uchi yungudu kinanzo la future ki love message kandido uchi yungudu wonde tsangma to eta ine la message de tamala to era okay wonde de uchi ya heartbroken tikati kinanzo la lidura sim nala chicken samlo mangbo do ko de kyu me do chung de da sim la kyu nang shu chimbo yo do da ne yin se de kan tra kinan ge sim nala chi yo che o sim de ne lu gi me wa do chi tu dura kinan zo ge nar chi kari do chi ma di wa do chi chung yo ne on de lu gi me wa ya an di chi ne name fame success oh my god that they cut the song that this time they get reading lota khangsa la li du tai ne le ko de nga kebar yo re sam gi du ka chi la da lo di lo da ta ra ta indu ta da an di kan la fire ra kham di me indu kham me gi lo di ka du le wa ne 미리 계단에다 슈침부 차야기라 기라기 다 내가 야치 제와이네래 도가 제와이네래 람상 계단에다 중요하라 계단에다 람상 소소라 밍 레코그니션 소소라 워싱이 슈침부 중요한 니 둥겨라 오케이 니 계란소 기다 내가 도 직제 롭탈라 임바 롭종이 징이 임바네 계란소 롭타 되와라 내가 도 직제 직 participate to je sozo onde la jaga topia to dang ani mirin zo gita sozo ra kyu pya ko jena lamsang washingira onde ni le ka je sala imba ne dara re social media de tola lega chi yo ne dara re sozo la follower do gin chukchi mu je dina tungyo re dikar oh my god ta dikat ta pechi pechi lo ta tanda ba do lo ta chukchi ti chukchi wara ti le lesa pechi pechi lo ta kangzang to chi le lista dikat ye re 아니 이다디시니 그리 통구도 쇼나라 아니 그런저 realization 나네 디도 소소 찍라 하고에도 찍라요나 취도 망부도 치 공념님도 망보지 아니 찍 소소게 오다 아주 미다 밀리토베디 카치니 리도레 토다 개왕 암치라데 엔데 레샤레 토다 레김데라데 엔데 믹좀네 거로 코르기도 알라에 토다 라치 인게르다 가리 바이네 치 하고야 야나 카지 찍지도 소소 파스라 레가 찍지 아니 온데 찍치다 노르도알네 realize 야데 이시레 오케이 기란자 데데도 에너지 찍리도 디진다 magician my god 나와 tuk dina la kiran so energy kan di du la chu cho la shuk chimbu du na yo yang chik ding gi le ga cho la shuk chimbu du na yo du na ni ga la yo on di do sti gi du la share spiritual path and at the same time la kiran gi le ga chi gi on di shuk chimbu ding gi du diksha ya pu de energy pi ya pu du ani kiran so share la ki o ki ja share la pe ki o cha ya du na on di ding yo di ka ti ra ta di chini ka li gi du la na okay the financial gain kiran so yung bo ya pu yu gyo chi da wa tuk dina la ra ini da ta nge yung bo ti sorry 용법 약보 유교 체인이 당에 디 용법 유교 디에 칼리 캔이 다음 수교 디당 가지고 나서면 다 같이 인데 인기라다 인베스트 제고 선 같이 인베스트 제고 맞고 가지나 상만 딘딘도 딱다도 진 인베스트 서민도 안 상만이 뱃거는 야도 사샤다 딩상도 세르도다 뉴도다 데니까 인베스트 제고 삼나니 쇼 공야도 사실래도다 강바도다 사제도라 real estate 데 인베스트 제고 삼나니 시부야도 샤 다 가지고 나 confusion 오늘 도 시팅이더라 아니 가리 스톡 마켓은 붐 가라도 도리라다 시부상마 야도 시아교 경기도 우스라 근데 인기를 세발아 오케이 this 가지고 나 something도 오늘 에너지 오케이 삼로 시고 땅데요데 근데 비셔 돌아 믹스기 financial 소소기 비셔디 돌아라다 칸디도 치고 나서 땅티요데 소소소 따더라 my god the sun card finally the sun card lesa tadi card link di kaga to keep tawa duk di khana gi chidura name fame success ta yu baji my god patron do da kedang idan so so yu baji shini kyo che so so 안디가 소소 가가토 keep community 요 다와도 항상 기우디요 되게 에너지 되기도 child like energy 보고도 나와 기우디 실례시미 보도 마치다 라시미 어더 페부도 나와 기우디 원데 되게 에너지 리더 오케이 Under the channel last card, oh my god, but the young yapod good news can also chola good news should jump chili or the thing to emotionally so pay coaching a same thing they pay coaching so I'm a ticket tuning a same thing they coaching so like on the day. Young Kashi to social cock up some pochili or the Dilani figure, Kiranzola, control you cock up some poaching and go and the cock up tirawang a pay coaching so like that the day is seed, okay? On the day that didn't can I get you to our duke next our duke energy rate. That can all two changes currently do like only a card in to get. The canals get energy on the little steed, some look here to Tiran on the King of Swords, okay. That can answer the similar ticks can you do sim take it over chick Matiwa do chick so jung on the similar sim theatre than Karim by the chick do counter the same like any chicken I get sim there to Chira. You make it which sim take it only. That they can get our duke nala. Can I get one thing the fight she and it's some dinima doing to you doing to a matse can pay that she de cute to the kaji to the hiking mountain gala ritzela hike jaga to the day to the outlook nala. Hike to do any deed chene pay symbol cute to the ritzela lesson jigdoa. Oh, then the pay cute chatter h me to chatter on the day energy. I think you do like shaking as alone the digit so you get energy. That is in name fame success the council getting into the chicken. So the lega chick in the galama meetings of people just will appreciate Chegosura. This in Kiragira won't run like a full focus che dirang like a follow che yargitangio so only energy lead and share the auto. And the Dicini do 9 of Pentacles. Okay, realize can also get chechi do the gita. The redo the Sosa Hagwich won't the kitchen that the realize the Karim by the Soso Sotaria. The Soso Mandawa Jungle Samachiba Yungo Simari. And he can also realize the energy chicly do delete someone realize Chirine, Chirika, Kajayang, spiritual path can also go Yamni do Cheni, Chick Tobage or something to top later. It's a machine. Yes, Kriasia. Ani ta karim by the so realize young man did it in North Shakal and it did realize in Sira. The Karim by the did realize the Jets have any Sunkiranzo energy Karina lead the 9 of Pentacles. Self love so base Sewachi, Chambuchi, Yinjichi, so Ida Kadune, the Nutrition, the Nola and the Nutrition, Namguno, and the social capital Nola, Ditch Nola, the social capital Dejura. That the energy change that can I okay I meet this guy no to show see on the social acceptance mambuli yora no to any changi money ching me sini much the chasers I meet okay I know to show they want to yada so seems switch social self worth self respect like the shukchimbo down on the some self esteem to them self acceptance like to the chikmat inji in a sick mambu died and then the color so the 적진에 시라식 되게 튀뉴 말 킨서에 고도 이네 디게칭 부리더라 항상 게칭 부리 디디 그나라 디랑 리도 다 두기나라 소소소라 시쿠르치야 통티야 소소소라 통티야라 온디 okay 에너지 비아프디 이렇게 난 저스라 근데 이제 더 magician 이 카드 가가리 seven of swords okay 다 그냥 소라지 magician 이 카드 레이오 디 그나라 surrounding 상 카리도지 제기 삼네 상마 상디게 도지 이렇게 하는 게 예열라랑 한테 직체오도 삼네 양까지 직치도 다한테 직칭이 두고도 디팀이 둘라도다 직 메어도 망보라 그나게 magician 에너지를 레이오도 그나게 나디 직칭이 두 오케이 니 제투고 가지는 한 상마 유엘라지 온데 레도지 에너지가 뒤뒤 그나라 샤시디기요 온데 디퉁이 그나 yang kirang ende isita tawdu dina khaji ji so magician ge ener la dedu energy la dedu kadi la miti zo ge kinala pisum so pat sama sang de ge puto ji tong an de la pa yang khaji ji ya scam che try che da ko korta try che da kira tsala ge de ni ko ge try che de ni isiro okay tadi khaji ji du sab che go ya gi ka de re la seven of swords la du the six sab che go ka de tung yo re la sheba mi ba kinala this scam do che do da so la 지게도 중식이리스라 딘두인다 미사와인도 더 믹스에도 중두 임바이네레 지게데 참참야 소스디스 지게 awareness kana dego subsubchegoera 딘데 둥교레 라쉐라 다디케나 조이치레 advice guidance in searing a symbol of card monday list the kinan zo kachi chi che dora so ende sir taging financial kan la tokpa kachi wana something indi zo chi dora kari du shu wana kinan zo opportunity ra ko ka pang bo to chi le so mitsina na kandi tam go yong ma so e jo an kachi ngan dian che chashi mong bo du chi ji chashi mong bo du chi ti an tam de so ni kandi ta chashi mong ta ra an tu ra anti kan la so kala 내가 대 제마 토해 줘 어디가 나 근데 준비 유스기 이렇게 안 sol라 근데 리도 시티도 이렇게 안 sol라 clarification 딜레이도 이네 next 더 독디나라 키난 저기 best of the best 고급 약시 디싱 투게 온데 데 둥이들라 쉐라 이 카디나라 약도 ten of wands 네 아니 the sun card la 10 of wands leader completion okay completion 10 of wands okay the kirangi namgyun ta chi 게도 숙충부 기교와 치 따딜라 메시지 니 리도 오케이 메시지 니 kiran zola kari resonate chi do kirangi 게인 배 숙충부 기교와 치 이니 kiran la kari kirangi 게인 숙충부 기교와 치 남균 and imbaina next our took dinala da kirangi gain di ta kego mindu not anymore complete chagdo zo do sam chagdo gain di goni kego mindu on de do chitingi dura yang ka시지 지로 에너지 된데 제리도 키란즈 child like energy 단다 봐도 배 나와 기우고 양보지 게인도 마케지 나와 기우도 엔데 디기 어이나 다 키란기 다 데링 네 펜제다 다와 둑나라 키란기 게인 숙치부 키도요 responsible 소소기 린투요 키도요 게인 소소키 키고에디 소소 키도요 온데 디게 에너지 지리도라 다디 키란즈 다다 소소소 치도라 딜라 메시지 니 리도 Ace of Cups kala kari lidu Three of Pentacles kiran so kaji chi chido dangi good news ya pochi do yana kokap sang pochi do kaji chi chido yan relationship ridura kaji chi chido yan di lega riduda so da kari tanda kari tagi on dirish kiran so da lega gan do na shuk chimbu chi gyo ana da waduk di na kiran so la lega kan la on di kan di du shu ana ra kokap dila partnership do okay partnership kiran so partner chi ni chong do chuge do the business and chuge do da yana kiran so gi partnership chi ni project and complete share do da yana kiran so gi partnership gi collaborate chiyo do don de shukchimbu 둥기도 다 어두티나 오케이 어디 키랑이 치도 항상 야 붙여가도 야 같이 치기 치려 소소 relationship 된데 인식이래 소소로 직닝이 오는데 두개 저 도포 상보인데 두개 동모 상모 근데 두개 라나디기더라 언데디도 직니 아포인데 소소 미세나리아 언데디 라나디기도 언데디 에너지 리기도 라 쉐라 따디지네 카리리기도 Ace of Swords 오케이 인 키랑도 삼로 항상 약부당 통이 차야 다와 죽디나라 삼로가 배 sharp mind sharp 로 칼로레 mind sharp 시바 율보 오케이 온디 리기 그런 줄알아 오케이 나 온디 체르다 삼선 시크에서 딱딱딱 말리니 칼리티도요 아니 다디 치니 그런 줄이 다 love message 오케이 다 그런 줄이 past person 그런 줄이 미세나라 past 그 person 엔데 그런 줄 message 향이 되는데 두에 샤도잉인데 두에스라 Okay, these two cards wants to come. Missed opportunity. I didn't act when I should have, sir. Missed opportunity chik tongsha. Ta di kiran zola past ki michi ki kare message ti dul sana. Ta konzo yu kokap di sure songs ta kiran yam dewa ya pochik so ya kokap yu di sure songs ani kachi ni sure isena. Koran zo I didn't act when I should have. 네 두스치클라 딱딱딱 탁추고 애들 탁추에 통마선 디 인도 이니크라니엄도 두스케기 고갑디 쇼스우스 규바 오케이 퍼저 미치기 규바 인게네 키라나 메시지 리두 니와디 거리두 responsibilities I have to take care of my financial and emotional needs 가지지기 치료야 이 메시지 레시라 키란조 다 두스케 마충에 두다 직 엔디 두다 소소 도포 엔딩 도 베닝 요 의견 엔딩 타린 부차에 두다 데디 중요 시기리라 직 춘주 춘들에 배 첨부 요지 타린 부차가 데레 인시기리 가지라나 딜 메시지 가리샤 두슈와나 responsibilities 파조미딜 소소 게인 숙침부 키오 케소스라 온디 두키랑임 타린 부도 차소 돈도레시 I have to take care of my financial 코라이 바네레 모라이 바네레 소소기다 financial 당 소소 용의다 용법된 약보 빠절론 주도 약보 수에 둔다 직지 아니 코라게 심당 데리카나 답보게다 심 emotional needs 저 괴주여라 그거 온디게 코란 속이 코라게 온디 되게 수에 둔다라 아니 키랑님도 타리 붙이고 키소스 온디 네게라 직진에 대해서 이렇게 나기 best friend 단단히가 타리 붙여와지 가진 타리 붙여라나 코로나다 뭐랑 코로나 줄라 낭미 뿌고 요아치 아니 어디기 돈달라 아니 다 건조 페 비지 차 기나서 도게 맞중에 도당 기란로 두수시다 당 마토에 도다들이 중기 유기리니고 콜라네리 몰라네리다 소소소 때려 오케이 기란서 같이 온디 파죠 미디 직 세와다 기란 슈치부 요제 툭도 요아치 이니 다운 어디라 코로나서 개 개그 망다니 기란로 두수 당 통민도 레 메시지 하기도 오케이 데리로 시도 온디진 the future love and gana 기란로 메시지 그리기더라 connection. Okay, connection. Love is the bridge connecting souls. Cherish those connections. Okay, kirangi mitsenala da mi mangbo and sawa and mangbo togyara. Love la ne jimi jida love life connection la ne the friendship and imba ne sewa to yu bara pa so onde de karim ba ne ondi ajo soul ni connect sigyo risra kare sewa de gichene soul ni connect sigyo ri ti indu cherish the connection connection dilani de chela jo color. Okay, the goes will attraction. You are attracting the right person at the right time into your life. Okay, they can also singling in this right person at the right time. Attack chi do se can chola so you do so takta do so la pop miss some pochi takta can chola so you do only can also singling in this message relation. Okay. That's it. And can also so resonate shape you resonate she so na comment section la resonated lentirochi. The is to zoom pochi tang energy mambochlu resonate chigida mena someday jani midin zo takin answer gidara midin zo sakira zo wiber din zo gira resonate chidu la running ha ngone go to shuk chimbu chungu dungara ra ye energy de du zo mambotang so energy mambochlu resonate chida ya podo asam so ne go to chungu dungala onde de keper so do ni kina zo gira resonate chisu na okay resonated la ne onde de comment la diro chi na share ani like and subscribe chaba de la tu chi la share in yut chi yong Tashidelik, if your animal sign is dog, then this reading is for you. This reading is about next 6 months, your energy and your upcoming energies and changes you are attracting in next 6 months. Alright, so I'm going to start with the 10 of Swords. I think you are also holding something in your mind, something in your heart. This can be your past, heartbreaks, or this can be betrayal, this can be something you have lost or something you have been through. Okay, that kind of situation, sometimes some situation you're holding in your mind, in your heart, and your heart is broken because of that kind of energies you have, something you are holding for too long. I think now in next 6 months you are going to release that. Some of you are going to go hiking or trekking and going to the top of the mountain, and you're going to feel the relief and you're releasing everything whatever you're holding for too long. Okay, that kind of heartbreak or that anything. So that kind of energy is coming for you for the next 6 months. And so many of you are going to gain followers, name and fame for next 6 months, because this year is fire horse year. Okay, so because of the fire element, so many of us, if we are trying to get name and fame, then we can absolutely get that in this year. Okay, this is the best year to get name and fame because of the fire element. Okay, so you're also gaining name and fame. Even if you're a student, you're participating in something and you're going to gain fame in that place. Okay, that kind of energy is coming. And if you are working in social media, you're going to gain lots of followers and people are supporting you and praising about your work. Even in your workplace, you're going to do some great thing and people are recognizing you for that. And because of that, now you're following your passion. Okay, now you gain lots of confidence because people are like supporting you, praising about your work. Now you look more confident about your passion and you're following that passion for next 6 months. Okay, like following, you're starting to follow your passion in next 6 months. That kind of energy is coming. And all right, after that you are realizing something in next 6 months. Okay, realization is there, realization card, or spiritually you're awakening or you're realizing something bigger than this just worldly thing. Okay, that kind of energy may be. okay, or something else, like you have done something in the past and now you realize, oh my god, I've done that, oh my god, I shouldn't have done that, that kind of realization, okay. But in next 6 months you are starting to love yourself, respect yourself, self-esteems are going to be very high, you're treating yourself better. If you like always criticize yourself in your mind, like I should have done this, I should not have to do that, like if you criticize yourself a lot in your mind, then for the next 6 months now you're changing your pattern, okay. Now you're praising yourself. Of course, I'm human being, I can make mistakes sometime. You're going to tell yourself like that, and you're going to like self-worths are increasing and your self-esteems are going to be very high, loving yourself, being kind to yourself, okay, that kind of energy, that's so beautiful energy for you. And like the magician, okay, this card says that you have everything, whatever you want in your life for next 6 months, okay. You have the resources, you have the power, okay. You are speaking, communicating in a very good way, okay. Your communication is getting better in next 6 months, okay. So but you have to be little bit careful in next 6 months, because some people are looking at you and they see you have everything, you have the resources, you have everything, now they're trying to like scam you or something, okay. So you have to be little bit careful while you're meeting new people, okay. That's all, nothing to worry about. And after that, like some of you are having lots of money, but you are feeling like, now I have to invest the money, but where should I put this money, okay. I've earned it, but now I don't have idea to invest the money, because everything is booming, like in a bull run, like growing so fast, like now I have no idea, like sorry, like see the gold and silvers, they're so high, like stock markets, they are so high, and like real estate also so high, like where should I put my money, okay, that kind of energy. Or some of you are like thinking, I have lots of opportunity, but which opportunity should I choose, or like I have lots of planning in my mind, now which plan should I follow, like you have lots of things, but you are looking a little bit, like confused in between these. But for the next 6 months, now you're going to take action, and that action is going to be the best one, okay. That kind of energies you are attracting. And some of you are like, your energy looks very childlike energy, very free, happy, and like very positive energy. Yeah, some of you, okay. For some of you, now it's going to be changed into, now you're going to change your energy into like taking your responsibilities and your family's responsibilities, or this responsibility can be anything, okay. You are taking lots of responsibility in next 6 months, you are growing up, like now you are being mature. But for some of you, if you are taking lots of responsibility in right now, then this energy is going to be the opposite, okay, for next 6 months. Now you're going to be a little bit free from that kind of responsibilities, you're going to leave that to other people, and you're going to enjoy your life a little bit, okay. That kind of energy is coming for you, okay. And another message is like, you're going to receive some great news or great opportunity. That opportunity or that news will make you emotionally satisfied from deep down, okay. You're going to feel very happy, yeah, delighted, okay. That kind of energy is coming for you. And because I think some of you, that opportunity is about partnership in a business, partnership in a career path, in a project, or this can be anything. You are gaining lots of new friends and they are very good, your energies are matching to each other and you're feeling very happy to work with them. That kind of energy is coming for you next 6 months, okay. All right, so that's it. And yes, one blessing is that your mind is like going to be very sharp in next 6 months, okay. Then your a message from your past person, okay, past person. Missed opportunity. I didn't act when I should have. Okay, they are regretting to not being with you right now. Okay, so they said missed opportunity. They missed the opportunity to be with you. I didn't act when I should have. Okay, so they are regretting definitely. Okay, and another message is responsibilities. This might be your friend, okay, friend from the past. You have very close friend, and right now they are like they have lots of responsibility, so they are telling you that I have to take care of my financial and emotional needs. Okay, they have to take care of their financial and emotional needs. Because of that, they are unable to spend time with you right now like before, so they are sorry about that as well. Okay, that kind of message is coming for you. If it resonating with you, then take the message only. Okay, and the future messages: connection. Okay, connection. Love is the bridge connecting souls. Cherish those connections. Okay, love is the bridge for the souls to connect each other. Okay, so you have to cherish them. And attraction, you are attracting the right person at the right time into your life. If you are single, then this message is for you. You are attracting a person, a very perfect person at the right time. Okay, so right time at the right person is coming into your life. So in next 6 months you are going to meet a person as well if you are single. So that's it. I hope you received your message well, and I hope this reading resonated to you. And I have a request that if you're watching this video in English, then please let me know in the comment section so that it help me to create more in English. Otherwise, I'm spending a lot of energy and time to create in Tibetan and also in English. Like I have to create two different language, create in two different language. It's like taking lots of energy. But if you're watching, and if I know that lots of people are watching about this in English, then it would help me, motivate me to create more in the future. It's okay to spend my energies and time when you guys are getting some benefits from this reading then. Okay, so let me know please. And thank you for the likes and subscribing this channel. And I'll see you very soon. Dıştele pala da zuwa ni kiranzo gi chidra tawa tuk di kandido shtigidu kiranzo gi tambo kiranzo gi energy tawa tuk nala kandido shtigidu ani kiranzo la changes in the karikari yongudu tawa tuk di nala ra ani kiranzo la last lara ani past ki message love message in the karikari du ani future ki love message karikari du on the something gi ne dingi thama de la tuyare tambo kirangi energy tuyngura. Okay, tambo. Keja this kiranzo recently tendi chungu yusigring esimbala yana tanda kiranzo chungu yugir tanda recently nge charo tendi nalara kiranzo keja this chik mathywa do tendi chungu yusigri yana kirangi samlo this chimbada mathywa tendi kor yusigri chik endi do chi do yura endi chi energy to do lan share tadi chi ne okay financial involve pe chigura kirangi nangmale yana ngui dan tendi chimbo chi jungya yana sacha dan tendi chungya khangba tendi ngue tendi yisigri ra 강다르 데데 도지 파이낸셜 당 의당 데데 테워식 침보 유교 직등기도 남의 빈치 나라라 가가토도 깁깁도 당 의망보 유교 도시당 아니 하나 사자 강바 데데 인볼브 유교 데데 유교 데데 도시등기도 나 쉐라 다디치니 가리 도슈바나 아니 스트렝트 가로 오케이 괜찮아서 강톱톱기 소소 엔티 도지 룽supsup도 차교 안에 강톱톱기 달룽 this 시달룽 킹메 라이총 데데 슈침보 키나서 중교사래 next hour tuk dinala shidi shukchimbo tongdu sem nala shidi chedang todang la pe shidi ngene chedo da shed inzo ine shidi ngene shed pe chigera da calm and composed la chong di shukchimbo tongdu kenanzo ira simba ine shidi yo amila shidi ine pe kecha jambo nyimbo gentle like le dong de do chira ya pu tongdu energy pe positive to purity simba sangma simye sangma on de tongdu kenanzo chi energy ra ta di jini kare lidra ni soso de ba yigi soso chigi on de do chi kiranzo la shukchimbo yo sare nye simbalara dawa duk dinala dagaran kirangi mutu ni to yo ani de curiosity indira ta di khandina la chi tokpa chi mangbo sa do chi khandina da won tokpa yungene soso sawa inde mangbo changya de ingire soulmate connection kinanzo yana tanda kinanzo yi connection soulmate connection na yugire yana kinanzo la dawa dukti na la soulmate ki connection sozo la connection de tuge the soulmate sozo life partner yi sigire yana topo tomo ende yi sigire kantra kinange soul pe paso tumbo yuge chik chik la support shingira soulmate ki man lega de kari paso support system rida support chik chik yarge to yala chik chik la support cheji mi kyu yarge to yala moi support che mo yarge to kyu ki support che yana kyu da mo kala ore mo da mo yana raso zo tomo tomo na la paso support che nika yarge to yala nika paso be support che ondi soulmate an nika da yarge osto cha yana an soulmate ki lega karre ta chu ga le spiritual path kana paso support che ondi shuk chi buda di likina zo le diran tingidu soulmate ki connection kiran zo le du yana kirangi ta topo tomo gi group la ingire yana so gi da sasang nangi partner life partner group la ingire kantra soulmate connection do okay single ingi de zola da mix me samba ne da jungu du da duk dina la on de tu ngidu de kiranzo the spiritual path oh my god the kiranzo la spiritual path lidura spiritually kiranzo chik to yo kat peche peche lo da kangza la da duk de la repeated the spiritual path repeated lesra kiranzo ge da ne kap chik sozo la kari yo de samasha an chik jena khaje ndi ingire sozo da kari yo de sha tarin bu sozo suggestion ba ndele ka chik to de yin si ro okay na me pinche de zo sha ni tarin bu to de yin si ni yana kiranzo ge da di tarin bu to de la de spiritual path la ra sozo chik this chik meditation center into la to hem ba ne re chu do chik na chu da kare chu zo pa chu tang da de do da ni ma chu gi chi da zo ente sa ji la on de to re le ga che da le ga che sa so ri chu che re la ne on de do ta di ba ne so so nang gi ta chala sang ma sha ni do de do okay last card kari du ani kirangi chi celebration thing de da waduk dinala kiran so yana chance ga engiri kaji ji engagement in siri kaji ji so karina birthday to in siri raga yana so birthday ge ta to mo nyinge wende ge birthday celebrate che de in siri chance celebrate che de in siri o de energy li do da waduk dinala okay di kiran so energy ta kiran so la yungur upcoming the changes in the kiran so chola sukar yungu dosra oh my god kiran so la dirando opportunity mangbo to chi che yana samlo mangbo to chinga die je la chashi mangbo to chi mangbo pe digran thamade the mangda ne gona da so lega di strip le ma she wato chai cha won de do chi du la shera ta di chi ni 10 of cups okay my god 10 of pentacles gala 10 of cups relationship yana nangme pinche gi shigu blessing do ke kiran so blessing shigu du kaji ji chi do da di changsa ga yi sigire so so nangme pinche ra ning yo do bo sasang na la kiran so celebrate chi yo ra 상만냠도 좀 celebrate on the issue 좀 붙은 게도 satisfaction do okay kiran so makeup da khari do chi yo on the pichi zo do ra da chi 마창에 도시어라 남이 빈치라 양 참자면 발절롱 주고네 당기미도 섬에도다 남이 빈치나라 참든 용기미도 섬에도다 카리도 오지 교아이네라 직 마딕데도 오지 온디 complete 교아 next out 두디나라 조도교아 인기나기 카믹 사이클라네 디도 레디 조도교 아니다 레사와치 고주교라 온디 레사와딜라 남이 빈치나라 에네 비 참든리아 아니 소소 발절롱 주에네 푸스 속바 용야 소소라라 온데데 소소 되바 여기 나신기 창사에 숙침부치 되기도 기나주나라 chance get in the in seed okay on the day chance get sangi de zoya pugu na la pugu ta sawa ke pugu chi gena ni wa de ke do da ni wa na so ba ke da de in seed so de ba yo na shingi to ya on the day okay the day do thing strength card and kiranzo purity semba sambo shidi sugum da de yo matse and the one de jen da duktina ani kiranzo so de ba yo so de ba yo gi lega de chega to ya da de ba de kiran kari shane de da tele chi che de ba yo de da nya chi lega de du min du sam te chi ra so yana chi lega chama shane nga na me pinche chala de ga to ngi du la to da ya nga lega de chama shane nga ra gi de ba tele chi yo on de lega ga to ngi du la to da so passion khala chi yo passion da so kari la shajara di kirangida tawa duk na kirangida di chola shukchimbu dugiyo tingido okay kiranzoda shukchimbu dugiyo tingido la shwera to di jini kharili 8 of pentacles okay da kiranzo ichidani namgin kiranzo gi kulongora samlo kirdangora endido ta ngi de bayo gi ngi chido wa chi yue la chi endi yusar kiranzo shukchimbu chira de yusar ngi de bayo gi lega de ngi yak taji chitu yue la do de yusar ta tawa next tawa duk dina la kiranzo la dagana tingido la Yung dawa duk dina like na hang sai kali ge yu creative field rather the creativity idea ta min da tang ne le ka che din di se ge on de le ka chi ni so lo nyu ba ni shu chim bu chu ju ge yo on de tung du kina zo la so ine pe le ka che du so yu ya po tang ai jo le ka la on de ni ri pa sa tang ya ra so le ka piji kina zo creative field kan le ka shu chim bu che du shi du da duk dina de le si so ida ri pa idea ta mi da kile jo dina on de li si okay tradizione che leader. Okay. Kinanzo kita the soulmate ki connection di nyam do kinanzo chik chena endi sar. This chik yurin bu chik ta mutin da kana jo de jo shide yuna shide ti kana yurin bu de ro da yana kinanzo yi de ni sire. Chik nyok sing tukba do dan de yurin bu ni kinanzo la do de yi sire yana kinanzo yurin bu ni single de yi sire da ine da tawa duk na kinanzo la soulmate connection tu gidura soulmate connection di kinangi soulmate di kinala tu ge tu gidu kinangi soulmate la ne di life partner la ne di kinangi mitsena gida so la chik legi kubi mi la ne tu gidura on de do chi da kinangi tu ge on di tu gidu ani on di gi chini da kinala kari chungudu shuan da kinangi da ba nu tu do kari chi gidu samma on di da partner di gi chini kinangi da on di gi chini kari partner la kale 야, 삼성 애디 중고도 쓱돼서 딱딱딱 리는데 디마치도 디마치스다 간단하다 그냥 기다 partner 되기 다 록파치기도라 그냥 되기 전에 그냥 망부치 록파치기도 for example 그냥 그래가 간이 티도라던다 다만 기시에가 간이 티도 삼도 당한 게 간이 티도 삼도 거기 멍다니 간이 티도 삼성만 기시랑 앞에 move forward라다 톡시셔라디 양아 참참 똑똑똑만 되게 투게도다 되게 중구들라도다 지 유기라다 그래가 그냥 스트럭처기도라 카르티 까야 퀄리티도 어디가 그냥 이 파트너 되게 람튼치 록바치 어디 되지는 그냥 야포비 차기 어떻게 다 어떻게 나라 오케이 Six of Cups. Okay, kiranzala dadidu. Kiranzo da nekapchik da nekapchik yuk ni kirangi nang mi sasang kariyo ay ni sama nekapchik yuk ni tharing budo chi togyo ani di spiritual ki kiran chido do ne de chaga dwe ni hiking, trekking and dwe den de siri ana trip travel den de rapazu tocham yulko tocham den de dwe isi on de do ani su yung de ni kiranzo da duk dinala kari ligi du shu ay na ra kiranla kirangi nang mi pinjing do chamdun shuk chiye konzo ye ne kiranla value shuk chimbo chiye 다 기란님도 데데데다 시다 value 당님도 데데데데다 간저 엔디도 소소로 유데교들라 시다 value 말이야 된디라 데디 중고도 자 소소자네 어디 쇼도도 신이 알라는 value 열려야 샤카다 디다 얘나 반 친구지 고급 친구지 쇼샤라이 좀 데리다 다 온디데 다 인시링 예스블 I'm not sure okay 다 기란저 소소 레조네 치고나 치불리로 아니 다들이 중기요이나 다기랑 직다른 모두 직도 아니 권에 직나라 직수용도 아니 기랑이나 왜 빈진이 요데서 배세와 다신도 신이다 다른 것도 인기랑 매나 가감스나라 동바도 디 하고야죠 아니 원디니 인기랑 직수용도 마자와 제잠용체 엔디시리 야마카지 직지도 엔디스르 기란주라 다다 currently 기랑라 유교디 기랑 시다가 오메와치 아니 기랑이 디 샤네 엔 기랑이 past 기 partner la ne ti ya no to poning yo champo de yo o dige nyamdo tukya la ne ti do ke on de tukya dan de ki saje ching ni saje simba chi la do ni saje simba ti la kuzo yo aje kuzo nyamdo tukyi yo tuk ne be ke jama bu she pas la de chi de chi an be chikera pas la shuk chipu zu de cha ama ma de chi la da de ki utang de ha le do da on de ye na chi li do ke an ka chi chi yan ki da ki mix ki adopt che de be de do an de de do 인치 못 했는지 안 되지 오케이 창사다 데리가 아니 그냥 배 가지지기 지도 엔트인스를 단다 그냥 좀 섭섭 강나요라 직 섭섭 도여라 딱 가리 지기와네 섭섭 강나지 썸로 쉬고 땅에 지에든데 인시를 그냥 저 에너지라 다든데 이번에 그냥 저기다 어디 섭섭 지에든다 다와둑날 디식 소소 섭섭 치미다 디슬리디 오픈 마인드 치기 디슬리디 구양부 되기래죠 아주 갑자기 섭섭 치와이네다 감 소소 빼 부스도 것도 치다 난 치미 섭섭 시다 치미다 디식 쿨기 지나 해라죠 온테 레도 치기 에너지 리두라 쉐라 키나즈라 아니 디치 아니 세븐 오브 원스 inner ini kiran so ira nanglo ne ding ye tumbo ye chambo ye kotsupo onde ne la na ti do yang kaji ji ji spiritual path li ra so di je ni so so onne meditation to shuk chimbo ji so la di thobe chokari intuition power right intuition won di shuk chimbo chagyo den de tungi do kiran zo gi chidura on de message le de as blessings le de blessings ra ta di chini kiran zo gi chidu past ki message ende sui kare do chi jangi do du kiran gi chidura disagreement la lidra I wish you understood how I feel ali kirangi kila disagreement do chai sarata di su imba ine so tadra ondi kiran la I wish la sa ko inere mo inere ki this understanding do chi thungna la ni feel shuk chimba jesu la ja pa jumi de la ondi ni do message ki shai do kiran la kirangi paru la disagreement do chi chai sare. Okay, what else? Conversation. Yeah, I want to call you and hear your voice. Message, okay? DJ and DJ in the future message in the love message. Proposal leader, an offer or proposal in the near future that comes as a surprise. Kerang la ra yana kokop sangpo chi yana propose and ra surprise kang la le sari la shira near future la di tawa duk exactly dirang re kerang zo single ingi de zo chidre i message ra ini mingle imba ine kerang zo la yang opportunity indi kokop sangpo indi le yi sirwa. Apology. Never underestimate the power of a heartfelt apology. Okay, that can also be mistake to change relationship. Then the topo to mona line by the rest, sasang line by the rest. No to so sure to somebody now go on the lap like the message leader. That can answer. You can answer. You got this topo to cake on the wala day there. Sim not the sunset on no chan, leisure. Kona wala there. On the Kashi chidria, so resonate. You know, Chipolin lawyer and some marine share. And the so resonate with some okay, go on the lap should I give you my ego this town chi. Gonda la shawa ego decide la sha gonda la shawa na relationship de bia cha dura on diranke shidu. Okay, and can answer that reading the straight so la be resonate ya puchi be wa you and can see resonate chi you na please comment section la resonated la tiro chi da ti ngala ne ke persu du nge de energy lu your time de tang your reading chi to sim na 10 days ta ni resonate chi na me na kan do na do to pasa de jang na and can answer resonate chi do ngala jes la du asim chu par you next kon yang puchi ne detail reading to chi reading chi la sim chu kia la manda wa ke persu du on di ndu can answer resonate chi na chi do la comment section inji mi chi chi la share ani kiran zo like and subscribe che badele ning ta bane chi la ni share ani nyu de chi yong tashi delek if your animal sign is pig. Okay, so I think I'm pronouncing it wrong, but okay, so if your animal sign is pig, then this reading is for you. So first I'm going to start with the Five of Swords. Okay, so I think some of you have been in a disagreement or a little bit like thoughts are not matching to your surroundings. You have a little different kind of thoughts than them, like thought clashes or a little bit conflict inside, inner conflict, or your conflict with your surroundings. Okay, because of your thoughts are not matching to each other, and sometimes you are speaking directly, like bluntly, like because of that some friends are a little bit in a like disagreement or angry with you. That kind of energy is here. So for the next 6 months, what kind of energy you are attracting is that you are attracting lots of opportunity to make your relationships better. Okay, more understanding, respect, better, lots of opportunity to make your relationship or choose the relationship, the best relationship you wanted. Okay, that kind of energy you are attracting for next 6 months from this losar. And after that, 10 of Pentacles with the 10 of Cups. My God, lots of 10 here. Okay, number 10 and number 10. So like I think you are involved in a lots of financial gaining, and also with your family members, and some of you are buying some new house or land, or like lineage properties, like you are gaining some lineage property, or that kind of energy is here. Okay, so for the next 6 months your energy looks like some of you are going to get married, married to your loved ones, and some of you are going to conceive, okay, conceived a child, a second child or first child, okay, that kind of energy. So, and you're celebrating, and there's lots of harmony in your relationship and your bondings. If you're in a relationship, your bondings are increasing in your relationship, okay, that kind of energy is coming for you for the next 6 months. Lots of happiness are involved in this situation with your friends and family members, okay, and you have lots of strength and purity in your heart, and you're like graceful and lots of passions inside of you, okay. So you're feeling like some of you are fighting with the anger issue. Then for the next 6 months, that's going to be totally changed. Now you're a new person. You're going to feel pure, peaceful, kind, generous, and graceful person, okay. That kind of energy is coming for you. Because of that kind of energy, now you're attracting to follow your passion. It's been so long that you're holding some passion in your mind, but you're unable to follow that, unable to decide that. And for the next 6 months, you're going to take action towards your passion, and you're going to build and work on your passion, okay. This passion can be anything. For some of you, this passion can be a business or work or spiritual path, or like you want to spend your some more time with your family members or your loved ones. That can be also passion, right? Or some sports, like a passion, okay. Whatever this is for you, you're following that for next 6 months. And some of you, your energy looks like you always follow your mind, okay. So if I made something in my mind, now I'll follow that only. Whatever people say, whatever like people are trying to stop you, you're following your mind, okay. Your thoughts, your mind, your planning, okay. That kind of energies you have. And you are attracting for the next 6 months is Eight of Pentacles, like lots of hard work, improving your skill, and because of that, now you're being more creative in your field, and you're getting lots of financial from that, okay. From improving your skill and working very hard on that thing, you're getting lots of financial freedom for the next 6 months. I think some of you are in a soulmate connection right now, or if you're single, then you're attracting the soulmate connection in the next 6 months. This can be your life partner, or this can be your friend as well, okay. Soulmate connection, and because of that soulmate connection, that person, that partner is going to support you to achieve something. It's been like a long time you're holding that, this one thing I have never achieved in my life and I want to achieve that. If you have something in your mind like this kind of thing, like this can be your health, about your health, about your career, about anything, okay. You have holding that, oh my god, I always wanted to do this but I'm unable to do this, okay. That kind of energy you have. Now your partner, your soulmate is supporting you to do that, and also training you. He or she, they are going to train you to do that, to follow your that thing in your mind that you always wanted to do, okay. All right, after that, some of you are going to go into a spiritual path for like some days, some weeks, some month. That kind of energy is coming for you. Because of that, now your family members value you more because you were far away from them. Now they are valuing you more after that, okay. Or you're going to go meet your like past friend, past person, okay. And you're going to talk a lot about your past life, not the like past life, okay. This like past life. So you're going to talk a lot and feeling nostalgic, and you're going to feel like, oh my god, for a moment I was in exec in the past. That moment, you're going to be in that moment, or like past moment, okay. Because of that person, you're going to talk a lot about the past, and then you're going to feel like that. That's very cute and beautiful energy, okay. And some of you are going to celebrate a birthday party, or marry, you're going to get married, or birthday party, or this can be an anniversary party, okay. Whatever this is, you're going to celebrate a lot, you're going to enjoy this party a lot. And after that, some of you are like always try to make plan before whatever you do. You're always trying to be very curious, and also like you are a little bit awareness, like you are very, how do we say, awareness to be say awareness, I'm not sure. Like you're always aware, you know, like how people are treating me, how they are doing. Like you're lots of awareness are there. You are not like freely enjoying your life, but for this party you're enjoying freely, like without caring for anything. You're free. You're going to feel free. Okay, like that kind of energies coming for you. And for the love messages from your past person, a past person send you this message: disagreements. Okay, I wish you understood how I felt at that time. Okay, that some person is sending you this message. I think there has been a disagreement in between you two. So this person is saying he or she wish you understood how they feel, okay, how they felt at the time. Okay, the conversation, the another message is conversation. I want to call you and hear your voice. They want to call you and they want to hear your voice. Okay, so if these messages are resonating with you, then only take these messages. Okay, and for the future love message, proposal, an offer or proposal in the near future that comes as a surprise. Okay, so you're going to get a surprise propose or surprise opportunity in near future, like in this 6 month, next 6 month. Okay, and another message is like apology. Never underestimate the power of a heartfelt apology. So if you are in a relationship, so and if you have been in a conflict or a little bit fight with your partner, then or with your friend, then this message is for you. Like if you feel like you have made a little mistake in that conversation, then it's better to say sorry. It's better to apology to your loved ones and keep your ego a little bit aside and make your relationship better. So if this message resonating with you, then only take this message and apology to your person. So okay, that's it. I request you to, if you're watching this video in English, please write down in the comment section that you're watching this video in English, so that it makes me motivate to create more in English. Otherwise I'm spending lots of time, like I'm doing reading in Tibetan, also in English, like double readings for every sign. It's like total sign is like 12 and I'm doing double reading for all the signs. It's like lots of energy and time for me. But so many of you are watching in English and you let me know in the comment section, then it's going to be like, oh my god, I'm this making difference. I'm making difference, like it's resonating with you and I'm making difference. So it makes me motivate to create more videos in English for the future. Okay, so that's the reason I request you to write down in a comment if you're watching this video in English. Okay, please, thank you. That's it. Thank you for likes and subscribing, and I'll see you very soon.